Howdy the birds, me again. And I got a package here today. I'll be looking forward to you. I was a little bit afraid I'd get tax on it because it was a little bit over the possibly the limit. I'm not sure, but I think it was a little bit over, but no tax. And you can see there, and it says from Todd Green, Headblade, Inc., Gardenia, California. So let's open it up, and using my Leatherman Crunch. It's a nice tool. I think it's the most expensive Leatherman I ever bought, and the only one I have. I saw one guy when I was working one day, and they had this on him, and I want that too, I said to myself. And then later I went out and bought one. Probably 1,000 kroner a look. Let's see if I can open this up. There we go. Good tool. The crunch. So there. So we open up. Ooh. This I've been looking forward to. So we got first is I love the logo. There, Headblade, authentic apparel, LXL, Headblade, and I hope it fit me now, because it doesn't have the fit, one size fits all. Yeah, not bad. It'll look better when I take this off. Ooh, we got more exciting goodies here. So, and yeah, the order, and maybe Todd Green signature or something. At least. Headblade. So I bought, yeah, you can see, if I wait a little bit. So let's see, oh, look what I got, a sticker. I didn't order that, so much appreciated. I will put this to use someplace. And let's see what else. Oh, another one. Thank you, Headblade. Really cool. So let's see. We have something here. Head case. Let's open up. And yeah, there. This is the head case, Headblade, and as far as I know, this is supposed to fit in there. You see. For the case, yet I come in a box. And it says ATX there, so this is the ATX. Let's see if I can find out how you place this thing. I'm not sure how you do it. So I guess I must find out. Maybe like that. maybe like that. So there you go, travel case. Whew. Now I was relieved, as I didn't see this in the box. It was hiding underneath the paper. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I think I'm gonna cry. Ah, nice, huh? I have one like this on my other keychain when I use, but the sticker, this one came off on that one, so I hope this will last better. It's always nice to have a bottle opener on your when you go on the keys. So that's nice, really nice. What else? What else? Let's see. Exciting, exciting, exciting. And I got some samples. So let's see. Headblade, Head Slick Mentholated Shave Cream. So if I decide to shave my head again, or my dome, which I really wanted to, but I'm doing this for my wife, letting it grow out again, and also my family, because they didn't like it too much. So I might just try that. And I got head lube, and it's a matte moisture lotion. No perfume, no dyes, no cruelty free. I don't have my glasses here, so we'll see. And yeah, one more of that one. So thank you for the free samples, Headblade. Much appreciated. So I really love the case. It would be nice if I go traveling, because I have travel kit for my other racers too. So I just need to pluck out all the hairs, because I didn't trim my head so much last time when I shaved. But yeah, I really dig the logo. So yeah, many stickers. So I hope you liked the video, just showing off some of the stuff I bought. I really love the cap. So yeah, but they don't have a Headblade on the box, but that's okay. Some people do that from when I bought from America, from shaving creams or brushes, but they give out a lot of nice free things, so I appreciate that. That's a nice touch. So yeah, that's the for the following models. So if you're a head shaver, it's nice to have this one, so you don't you'll break the head blade. So I'll see you again in another video. Take care, and may all solid shaves or head shaves go Headblade. This will be my everyday cap now when I'm using a cap. Take care.